Hello students, as many MBOSE students are very much confused about the syllabus for 2022 March board exam, in this video I am going to discuss about social science syllabus for 2022 March board exam. Last year, board has reduced many chapters, but this year there is no reduction and we have to follow the full syllabus for the board exam. Now in SST there are 4 sections: history, civics, economics and geography. In history, there will be 23 marks, civics 17 marks, economics 17 and geography 23. So theory examination will be out of 80 marks and internal assessment for regular candidates out of 20 marks. Now, if you see the syllabus, this is the marks distribution for internal assessment. In history 5 marks, civics 5 marks, economics 5 marks and geography 5 marks. So altogether there are 20 marks for internal assessment, and these marks will be awarded by the school. Now if you see the syllabus, now in history section, in unit 1, events and processes, the rise of nationalism in Europe, non-cooperation and civil disobedience movements, these are the topics from chapter 1. Now in unit 2, livelihoods, economics and societies, industrializations and urbanization and urban lives. In unit 3, culture, identity and society, the topics are print culture and nationalism. Financial education, part 1, electronic commerce or e-commerce, part 2, e-commerce and financial regulatory bodies of country. And the next topic is information technology in insurance sector and insurance ombudsman. And remember students, point number 6 and point number 7, these two are to be considered only for classroom transaction and internal assessment, not for the board exam. Now in geography section, topics are resources, water resources, forest resources, minerals and energy resources, agriculture, manufacturing industries, lifelines of national economy, Meghalaya and overview, planning ahead, by the people for the people. So these are the topics that you have to prepare from geography section. Clear? Coming to the next part, that is civics section. In civics, the topics that you have to prepare are: number 1, role of caste in Indian politics and communalism, nature of Indian federal structure, popular struggles and movements. Point number 4 is political parties, challenges to democracy, voters' awareness and its importance, women's rights in India, Supreme Court's ruling on child abuse, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. And here, point number 10 and 11, here financial education, commodity futures market. In point number 11, economic depression, investing in shares, initial public offerings, IPO. Point number 10 and 11, these are only for classroom transaction and for internal assessment. So in the board, you are not going to get question from this section. Next part is economics. And in economics, the topics that you are to prepare are: number 1 is sectors of the Indian economy, the story of development, money and financial system, globalization and the Indian economy, consumer rights. And point number 6 and 7, here you can see it is written financial education, benefits of insurance. And in point number 7, part 1 is learning to trade, and part 2, stock exchange and economy. Again, these two, point number 6 and 7, these are only for classroom transaction and internal assessment. So these are not for board exam. So this is the syllabus given by the board, which you have to prepare for your 2022 March SST exam. I hope syllabus is clear now, and all the best for the coming exam. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.